Okay, so we're going to have a look at adding the Ultimate FPS puzzle kit, which was free with the Unreal Marketplace, to a project. So I've just added it to a Unreal 5.03 project, the strangest of all Unreal 5 versions. So if you have a quick look here, there's various things you need to do. Install guide and change log is important because you need to change some of the collision. So this is basically this that I've just downloaded, so I can zoom in a bit. So first things first, let's just go to, I'm just going to move that up there. If we just go to well, in fact, first things first, let's just have a look at the project settings. Let's go to maps and modes and let's change it to demonstration, I think it's called. It's going to take an hour, it seems. Okay. I just changed both of those to demonstration so that when you start the project, it will just default to those. So if we go to UV, this is just a requirement here that I need to change support UV from hit results. The next one I need to do, I need a restart, I'll do that in a minute. So maps and modes, oh yeah, sorry, I need to change this to BP game mode, which is their game mode. Let's get rid of that. So this BP game mode here is, if you just click on it, well, if you just highlight it, you can see it's coming from FPS Puzzle SP, so that's the one we want. And it also changes your default pawn class automatically. Right, and the other main thing we need to do is we need to change 3 of the collision types. So I'm just going to create 3 new collision types. So if we go to preset, this is to allow you to typing it into the document. Silly man. Right, so preset yes, and then engine collision yes, and so we just want to add some new collision specifications. So I'm just going to copy the names of the 3 new ones that we need, and then I am going to we'll need to change this one to, well, we need to change all of them to that basically. World static, and this blocks only the pawn. Stupid. Blocks only pawn. So I'm just going to do these visibility, camera, this one, and then so it's also got this isn't actually in the documentation. We end in the documentation at destructible, whereas we have projectile in here as well, so I'm just going to put ignore. The collision will ignore the projectile, which is just another addition, which I presume has come out of an Unreal 5 update. Okay, accept that, and then we need to add another one. So the second one is only laser, very exciting stuff, only laser. And I'm going to just check the specs on that. That is query and physics, world static, and that's blocks only laser. Blocks only laser. And then that is visibility yes, yes, all of these yes, yes, yes. Ignores everything other than the visibility. Okay, and then finally we need to add only physics. I seem to have deleted that. Idiot. Only physics. Make sure I've got it named correctly. Okay. Only physics, yes, that's fine. Sorry, I was just checking the name. Collision enable, query and physics, world static, yes. Blocks, only physics. Done it again. Hey, blocks, only physics. And then what we need with this one is we need all of them. Well, in fact, let's just do that. And then I just need to change physics body block. Okay, that's it, I think. So And that's the last thing we need to do, really. So what we'll do now is we will just restart. I think that's everything. Let's just have a quick look. So let's just go to first person puzzle, demo, maps, and then it's demonstration. Okay, but I don't need to do that because I need to restart it anyway, so I shall restart now.